Imagine waking up to the sound of waves gently lapping against the shore of your private beachfront villa. Or picture yourself sipping champagne on the deck of an intimate yacht, cruising through the mesmerizing oceans or Europe's tranquil rivers. Perhaps you're picturing a serene day at an all-inclusive resort where every whim is catered to and every moment is yours to savor. Welcome to Infinity Fun and Travel, where luxury meets adventure. We are your trusted companion in transforming these dreams into reality. We offer luxurious high-end villas, intimate yachts, large megaships, and all-inclusive resorts throughout Europe, Mexico, and the United States. Infinity Fun and Travel, your gateway to infinite possibilities and unforgettable experiences. Stay tuned as we unravel the wonders of this exceptional travel agency. Welcome to a world where travel dreams become reality. Welcome to Infinity Fun and Travel. Today, we unravel the wonders of this exceptional travel agency that transforms your vacation fantasies into unforgettable memories. Infinity Fun and Travel, or IFAT, is your trusted companion for bespoke travel experiences. Their expertise lies in curating luxurious high-end villas throughout Europe, Mexico, and the United States. But that's not all. They also navigate the vast seas with an array of cruises, from large megaships to intimate yachts, crossing the mesmerizing oceans, the enchanting Caribbean, and Europe's tranquil rivers. For those seeking an all-encompassing relaxation, IFAT offers all-inclusive resorts in Mexico, Europe, and the United States. Their service speaks to a diverse audience, including those in the golden years, ensuring everyone finds their perfect getaway. With Infinity Fun and Travel, embark on a journey of infinite possibilities and unforgettable experiences. Ever wondered how to extract the maximum value from your vacation budget? The secret lies in using a travel agent. You see, travel agents are like the unsung heroes of vacation planning. They don't just book your tickets and accommodation. They are your personal concierges who work tirelessly behind the scenes to transform your vacation into an unforgettable experience. Let's dive a little deeper into what makes a travel agent so valuable. For starters, they are experts in their field with a wealth of knowledge at their fingertips. They know the ins and outs of the industry and can guide you to the best deals and hidden gems that you might not find on your own. They can suggest unique experiences tailored to your tastes that you may not have even considered. But the value of a travel agent doesn't stop at expert advice and unique experiences. They also have the potential to save you a significant amount of money. They have access to exclusive deals and discounts that aren't available to the general public. Plus, they can help you avoid costly mistakes, like booking a non-refundable hotel room when your flight is subject to change. And let's not forget about the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have a trusted professional looking out for your best interests. Travel agents take the stress out of travel insurance, ensuring that you're covered for any unexpected events. They're also there for you in an emergency, ready to assist and guide you through any challenges that may arise during your trip. In essence, when you choose to use a travel agent, you're not just planning a trip. You're investing in a service that brings value far beyond the cost. You're gaining a partner who will work with you to create a vacation that is perfectly tailored to your preferences and who will be there to support you every step of the way. So the next time you're planning a vacation, consider enlisting the help of a travel agent. You may be surprised at just how much they can enhance your travel experience. When you choose to use an agent, you're not just planning a trip, you're crafting an experience. At Infinity Fun and Travel, we don't just plan your vacation, we curate an experience you'll cherish forever. Stepping into the world of IFAT is like opening a treasure chest of travel possibilities. We are not just travel agents, we are artisans of adventure, curators of captivating experiences and architects of unforgettable memories. Our dedication to providing superior personal service means we don't just take you to destinations, we immerse you in them. We use a range of cruise lines, including NCL, Royal Caribbean, and Princess Cruise Lines, along with Regent, Oceania, and Ponant. Our reach extends across the globe, covering Europe, Mexico, and the United States. We can take you to the large, bustling cities and the small, hidden gems. From the sparkling waters of the Caribbean to the quaint rivers in Europe and the United States, we know just the right spots for the perfect getaway. And it's not just about the journey, it's about the stay too. We specialize in luxury high-end villas and all-inclusive resorts that will make you feel like royalty. Picture yourself in a charming villa in the heart of Europe, or an all-inclusive resort in Mexico, where every need is catered to and every whim is indulged. But what truly sets us apart is our commitment to creating the most value for your vacation dollar. We use our extensive knowledge and expertise to save you money, suggest experiences you may not have considered, and ensure you have the correct insurance. We are there for you in an emergency, providing reassurance and support when you need it most. At IFAT, we make every journey an adventure, every destination a discovery. Ready to embark on a journey of a lifetime? IFAT is here to guide you every step of the way. Picture this: you're cruising along the Caribbean on a luxury yacht, or maybe you're relaxing in a high-end villa in Europe's most beautiful cities. With Infinity Fun and Travel, these aren't just dreams, they're realities waiting to happen. Remember, a vacation isn't just about the destination, it's about the experience. And we at IFAT specialize in crafting the highest quality vacations that you'll remember for a lifetime. Our expert agents are equipped to provide you with the best personal service, ensuring you get the most value for your hard-earned money. From all-inclusive resorts in Mexico and the United States to small yachts on European rivers, we've got you covered. And the best part, you can start your journey with us today. Dial 8552-295-723 or visit infinityfunandtravel.com to make a free discovery call. With Infinity Fun and Travel, every journey is a masterpiece waiting to be created.